I'm prolific, so gifted. I'm the type that's gon' go get it, no kidding. Breaking down a swish in front of your building. Sitting on the steps, feeling no feelings. Last night it was a cold killing. You gotta keep the devil in his hole, nigga.
What's going on, people? I go by the name En Airlam, you know the vibes. Welcome to LinkedIn Style Conversations. Today, Bafiti, we have a phenomenal artist. First of all, I'd like to say one of the greatest to ever do it from Eastern Cape, my opinion. Mikkie SomaQhuzu, he's the hottest in the game right now.
Let's push up business. To step on that nigga, it's part of my career. No bad, get out of here. You and your niggas can't figure here. Ntwana se goal ben ring on the team. Lo nyaka si honor my cheetah was span but busy pon. Nigga la my souls. Please never ever try me. I need me a Betty, a choppy. Beautiful I've been a mile. Jengo copy. Dog, yeah, it's been a while, dog.
Yeah.
Remember last year we actually wanted to sit down and chop it up, Machi. Finally we're here.
Yeah, finally.
What's going on?
And it's crazy.
Away, Machi, away.
So,
out here.
First of all, let's introduce the people to Mikkie SomaQhuzu. Who is Mikkie SomaQhuzu? How would you like people to view you as a person?
Siandamon, born and bred in the Eastern Cape. Came to Joburg after matric. Musician. I'm a rapper, but obviously I don't like to box myself. I can pretty much say I'm a musician. So you know, been in the game for quite some time now. You know, and we've been pushing. You know, that's just it.
Yeah. Speaking of that, this year you've been consistent with the drops. You've released an EP, Xhosa Sit Down.
Yeah.
You've been
shout out
releasing videos that have been like booming on the internet. Week by week we get a new Mikkie SomaQhuzu video.
Sir.
What's like behind that? What's motivating you to do that? Because years back, as you've been in the industry for some time, you've not quite tapped in like that. What's motivating you to be consistent right now at the moment?
It's basically the internet, social media, because I came into a realization that the more you actually drop videos or content on, especially on TikTok, people tap into your shit, so that's the reason why I'm so consistent with the drops and everything. So I just want to like make sure that abantu abalambi there's always gonna be, you know, something out there for people, even if it's not a full song in a way, you know, but like just a young snippet, a verse where I'm rapping, you know what I'm saying. It's just that much, otherwise there's nothing else, because obviously right now everything is just about it's about the internet, basically, if I can put it that way though.
Oh wait, so speaking of like the internet is evolving, right? And how you've been evolving also as an artist.
Okay.
So your sound has been evolving too. I'm one of the luckiest people to witness it, like how it's evolving, right?
Yes,
so right now you've recently tapped into a sound that we don't know of Mikkie SomaQhuzu.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
What's like inspiring that sound? Because we're hearing some raps, hard raps, but at the same time we hear trap.
Yes, sir.
We hear vibe. What's with the vibe, Mikkie?
Nah, dog, it's crazy because obviously I was inspired by Abdus. I don't know if you know Abdus from KZN. Abdus used to rap so much and obviously, and then growing up, and then there was OK Malumo Cool Cat now. So I'm trying to like infuse that Abdus and OK Malumo Cool Cat and, you know, a little bit of Dream and Ska, because obviously I mean they are the OGs, I understand. So it's basically just a mixture of OK Malumo Cool Cat, Abdus, and obviously the Dream and Ska, because I grew up listening to those people, and then so now I'm trying to like put that sound together and it's giving me this. Understand what I'm saying?
It's hard, like that combo is hard.
Crazy.
That combo is great.
Crazy.
To think about it, like I'm now thinking about that.
I'm just like trying to like put that together and then
it's
now I'm coming up with this. You know, I'm trying to like go hard on these trap beats, but in a proper way, cause I used to like rap so hard. You know?
Yeah.
So now I'm trying to be cool now. You feel me?
So obviously in the Xhosa rap scene at the moment. In the Xhosa rap scene, I want to ask you, who do you think is raising the flag more appropriately other than you? Like at the moment, who do you think that like is representing us in the
Xhosa hip hop
scene at the moment?
I mean, dog, Dee Koala is actually doing it, and then there's K-Keed. I can say it's both of them, just like two, dog. The rest, like for me, dog.
Okay.
But like K-Keed is killing it, Dee Koala is killing it. I'm not sure, but the thing is now I'm not tapped into these niggas.
So I want us to go to these niggas.
Yes,
sorry about that. I wanna go. When you say these niggas, I'm sure you mean the Xhosa trap niggas. Like the Bhut'Legends,
bro.
the Soul T's,
man.
So I want us to go. I want us to go quick into that.
Yes, sir.
There was a beef that was going on.
Yeah.
It was Mikkie SomaQhuzu versus Bhut'Legend and Soul T Idyan.
Oh yeah.
So
it was probably like a 3-in-1 type shit.
Yeah.
3-in-1. Yeah. Sure. Dog.
So what's up with that, dog? Like,
bro, there's nothing deep actually. Like, to be honest with you, there's nothing personal, dog. It was just me, you know, proving my lyrical ability, you know. But unfortunately, it happened that niggas can't like keep up with that, and then it was just like a back and forth, you know, diss track to each other. So and then I was like, nah, let me just like cut this shit off because niggas can't keep up with this, you know, cause Bhut'Legend actually dissed back and then I dissed him and then he dissed back. I was like, nah, let me just cut this shit off, you feel me? Cause dog, come on. Come on.
Has that beef reached any violent point? Because I remember Bhut'Legend like asking me on WhatsApp like, where's Mikkie? I wanna run up on him. I don't know.
Dog,
so was there ever a point where you felt like
okay,
this is now getting
actually no, dog, because obviously I mean it's music, but like I feel like everything must be, you know, everything must be musical, dog. But if like now you wanna like take it into like throwing hands or whatever, bro, but then
would you smoke him? Those niggas, would you smoke them if it would go there? Who do you think would like?
No, these are kids, bro. What are you doing? What are you doing? Like for real, dog. Like niggas is just kids, bro. Come on, these
okay,
boys,
so let's move away from the kids.
I'm just like schooling niggas out to rap, dog. It's not even like I hate them, but I'm just like preparing them for the future. You know? Crazy. You feel me?
Yeah, I feel you.
Yeah, it's just about that.
So I want us to move away from these niggas. So I want us to go into a more national environment. Top 5 in the country at the moment.
Top 5 in the country.
The hottest, the one I feel like the most right now. If we could go to your phone, start the playlist. Top 5 in the country.
Like, I don't have any top 5, dog. I just listen to music. Funny enough, I'm sorry to actually say that, but like, I just listen to everybody, dog. That's actually, you know, doing it proper. I don't have like a specific top 5, because if now I'm gonna have to like bring up a top 5, then I'm gonna be part of the top 5, and then niggas are not gonna like register that properly.
And you're gonna take a certain spot.
Exactly.
That niggas won't like feel.
And
like,
obviously I'm not putting myself on number 2. You feel me?
Number you want.
You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, but like I don't have any top 5. Niggas is killing it. I'm listening to everything that's hot, dog. Understand? Crazy.
So that's exciting to hear, man. Which means that you really like tap in the industry.
I listen to people that are dope, dog. Crazy.
So currently, who's dope?
I've got this other song right now. It's my favorite. It's a Zioni song, basically.
Yeah.
It's a Zioni song. It says Silwane Mimo. That's my favorite right now.
Oh, yeah, at the moment. That's the hottest.
That's the hottest right now.
Man.
Yeah, I listen to a lot of gospel music, dog, and hip hop, obviously.
Yeah.
And then yeah.
So how do you want people to view you as an artist, and how do you want people to view your music when you're there in studio recording, and then what's that process like? What do you wanna people to hear, basically?
I just want people to view me, bro, as someone who can actually motivate them musically. Well, cause obviously whatever that I put in a song, it's my experiences, and obviously my experiences can be somebody else's experience, understand? So someone can relate in a way to my music, because I rap most, or I talk most about my experiences, my past experiences, understand? Either bad or good, clubbing or not, being hurt or being in a relationship or whatever, bro, that I've actually went through. Do you understand?
That's very exciting to hear, my dog. Before we wrap up, is there anything else you'd like to share with our readers about your music?
Right now I'm currently pushing a single titled Imali. Check out that shit on Spotify, all DSPs. It's actually banging, boy. I just need money, nothing else, dog. And then I'm working on an album. My first ever.
Oh wait, is it your first? Have you never released an album?
I've never released an album, dog. I've been busy with EPs and mixtapes and singles. So this one is gonna be my first ever album.
How many tracks?
Not sure about the tracks as yet, you know, but I'm still, trying to put everything together, trying to put features together. Crazy.
So do you listen to albums from artists when albums drop? Do you ever listen to albums?
I can't remember the last time I actually sat down and listened to an album, but yeah, I wouldn't mind doing that. Do you have anything that you would like me to listen to?
Nah.
Would you like to refer me to any nigga that you think I should check him out, check out or whatever?
Yeah, I'd like to refer the audience to someone.
Yes, sir. Who's that, dog?
Guys, the hottest, right? I swear this guy is amazing. This guy with the flows, with the raps is amazing. He goes by the name Mikkie SomaQhuzu. So you guys, I'm referring you to that guy.
Oh wait, shut up, yo, it's crazy. I wasn't expecting that.
So I'm referring you to that guy. Listen to
ladies and gentlemen, people, dog, should tap in. I'm just coming through with some different shandis, about different taste, about. It's not that Gyan Shandy thing that's happening right now. I'm trying to come through with something solid, something genuine, you feel me? So people, I so wish people can actually follow me and obviously tap into the music, tap into whatever, bro. It's crazy.
Do you have a specific date for the album?
I don't have a specific date for the album, but it's dropping soon, dog. It's dropping soon, my G. I don't wanna lie to you. It's crazy. I'm just working on the features right now. I'm trying to gather some people, some features, nyana there and there, and then we're ready to go.
So what's that one thing that you wanna tell the people that are gonna probably watch this? What's that one thing that you wanna tell them about you, that stop having this misconception about me, stop thinking this, I'm actually this kind of person? What's that one thing that people misconcept you for?
I make good music, dog. That's the only thing that I can say. I make good music. I don't just rap, I don't just throw bars and all that shit. And also I feel
do you have a work rapper in your catalog right now, in your mind? Do you have,
right now?
Yeah. Do you know of any work rapper that is doing it, but the music is work?
Yo, bro. Thing is, I don't listen to niggas that much. Okay, I tap into your shit and then, I'm if you're dope, you're dope, but if you're not, you're not, you know.
Yeah.
I feel like a nigga who actually beefed me is not like doing it, bro. But like to be honest with you right now,
he's not.
Nah, he's not like, or maybe he's doing it, but like I feel like, you know, nah, like for me, bro. But like it's all love, you know. It's all love, you know. Same CD, you know. We're representing at the end of the day, but like, yo, niggas should like pull up their socks right now, cause there's a different shandis, bro.
What message do you have to niggas that are in the industry then now?
Niggas that are in the industry right now, the message is that don't be greedy, you know, just let other people dog in, yeah, but if you get like an opportunity or a chance to actually put someone in, dog, put people on, about don't close doors. Fuck that, about don't close doors for what? About like everybody wanna eat, cause now you've been put, about now fuck you came in, and then now if you're gonna lock doors for other people, dog, come on, about. I think that's the message that I can have for them niggas, about.
I think we've reached the end.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for coming, bro.
Appreciate
Thank you
it, dog.
for like agreeing to this.
Yes, sir.
You're a superstar, and I feel
appreciate that.
And I
Thank you
feel
so
very
much.
honored, like to actually conduct this interview, because I know that this interview one day is actually gonna be one of my flexes.
Yes, sir.
You know, I'm gonna flex on the interview one
Yes,
day.
sir.
I
I
love
will,
that.
I
I
will,
fully
I will,
love
I will,
that.
I will, dog.
So
Got
I'd
you.
like you to do one thing for us. Yeah.
What is that?
I'd like performance video from you, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'd like you to perform for us. Close with a banger. Yeah.
Like, what do you mean? Like, should I perform now? Like,
No. We're gonna shoot it after. Tata, right?
047, my G, no cap.
So
Yes, sir.
do you think, like, okay, who do you think is representing Tata at the moment? Who do you think is there for Tata?
It's me.
As hometown, as your hometown.
It's me.
No one else.
Yeah, it's me. I'm actually 100% representing right now, so it's me.
Okay.
Yeah, it's me.
So when last were you in touch?
No, dog, I always go home, you know, like, but obviously when I go home, I don't announce that on social media, yeah, bro. But yeah, I'm always home most of the times, yeah, bro. But like low key. But I'm in Joburg for like hustling and all that bullshit, yeah, bro.
So how do you think of the Mthatha hip hop scene at the moment?
It's crazy. Niggas is killing it. Shout out to everyone that's killing it right now, dog. That's like, you know, raising the flag. Dynasties, shout out to Dynasties, dog. She's killing it on TikTok. I was tapping in on this other video of hers, like rapping. She's nice with it, dog. It's not only Dynasties, dog. There's a lot of Bhut'Legend is also killing it, dog. Like no cap, but obviously I wish like Bhut'Legend can like fully represent Mthatha properly, without like being, you know, under anyone's shadow, because I feel like he's like whatever move he does, he's always under people's shadows, dog. I so wish like he can be a standalone brand or artist without like nicking on everybody.
But plus
I don't know about that. I'm not his friend, so I might not know about that actually. Crazy, dog. That's like, yeah.
So right now we're gonna play a game, right? I'm gonna name 5 artists and you're gonna mention that they're trash.
I'm sorry to cut you off. I love games. I'm a games. Things have changed, dog. We can't be like going back and forth.
Yeah.
I'm 20 something right now, so you know, I'm actually, you know, I have like bigger plans, major plans. Obviously, I wanna build now, dog. I wanna buy a house. And then how am I gonna buy a house if I'm still, you know, trying to like play a woman Shani's thinking? You feel me? It doesn't make sense.
Doesn't make sense. Plus,
but obviously I don't want to put that on songs just like other niggas. Yeah, I don't put that Johnny thing on music.
Two back then.
Who's
now,
that?
I think is around.
Is it Flash Ikumkani?
Yeah. I think no was happening from the time it's Z2.
I don't even know, dog.
I think
but like
2021. No, Z5 no.
I don't want to talk about that, dog. But like,
from what he said.
like Flash Ikumkani is my lighty. It's my lighty. Like everybody knows that. A lot of people actually are lighties, but I don't want to like boast about that or any shit like that, dog.
So
poor live,
so every time I go to YouTube, right?
Yeah,
I search Mikkie SomaQhuzu.
Oh, you do that?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, that's crazy, dog. Oh, wait, shout out, Machi, shout out.
So every time I go on YouTube and search Mikkie SomaQhuzu, I always find this track, Ikumkani, right?
Yeah, man.
Which is made by Z-Man.
Oh, yeah, it's basically my
people
song.
Don't know that you don't have a song with Musicaholic.
Oh, dog, that's crazy. You know, that was my first like ever song with him. I'm hoping in future we're still gonna span. It's titled Xhosa.
Yeah.
It has it's me, Z-Man, and Musicaholic, dog. It's a crazy joint. It's a crazy joint. I appreciate that, dog.
I mean, fire, dog.
I appreciate that, dog.
So, dog, we are gonna play a game, and you said you love games. And
I love playing games.
Game,
let me tell you, dog. You see, I love playing games so much. I'm really like I play games, dog. Because I feel like that's how I actually like calm myself down in a way. But I can't be in studio all the time recording music, dog. You need to like chill out, kancane mamas. You feel me?
So like, what's your favorite game?
My favorite game?
Yeah.
It has to be I've got a lot of favorite games, dog.
Yeah, mine is GTA. I love GTA.
Are you talking about like PlayStation shandises? No, I'm talking about like just going out. Like it could be like what do you call this? Dog, I just forgot now. But like, okay, if you love GTA, that's awesome then. Now you feel like you love GTA, like that's awesome, dog. Don't cap.
So, dog, let's go into the game, dog. I'm gonna mention 5 artists, sure. And then you're gonna say if they are work or not, ne?
Oh, do you wanna put me onto that? Alright, let's try it, dog.
So
I don't like talking about. You see the problem. I don't like talking on niggas because now you're gonna look like a hater. But like, let's try it and see, dog.
I will, dog. So I have here, ne? An artist. I'm mostly gonna mention Xhosa rappers.
Xhosa rappers?
Yeah.
Please don't mention me. Please don't mention me, dog. I'm begging you. Yeah.
Okay. Would you say you work but you wouldn't say you work?
I'm not work. Maybe I'm not dope too, but like as long as people can relate to my shit, dog, and as long as people can say, yo, fuck, I listen to Mikkie SomaQhuzu and he's actually like, doing it better. I wouldn't like put myself like on any category, dog. Yeah.
So I have 5 artists. So number 5, Soul T Idyan.
Soul T is dope.
It's dope.
Yeah, Soul T is killing it, bro. No cap. Soul T is doing it. I don't know what's happening now. I can't see him anymore. Yeah, but I understand. It's the game. The game is gonna chow you. The game is gonna throw you outside if you coming through with that famous mentality. But like the boy is dope. Boy is killing it, bro. No cap.
Let's go. Blue K.
I don't know her.
You don't know her?
No.
Nigga, you don't know her?
I don't know her. I'm sorry, dog. I don't know her. Who's that?
It's a chick, Blue K.
I don't know her, bro. I'm not tapped in like that.
Okay. Flash. Is he work or not?
Flash. Flash is actually doing it ngendlela yakhe, yabo.
Yeah.
But I wouldn't say he's dope. He's not dope to me. Yeah. He's not, honestly, bro. I'm sorry. Like, okay, he's not creative enough.
Yeah.
So I like, bro, listen to me, ne? He's predictable. If a song, if a title says imali, and then you already know.
Ah.
You know, like he's not creative enough to actually come up with like a proper solid span.
Do you think he has money? Do you think he has money? Do you think he's rich? Like a flash. People say he's rich.
95% of rappers are broke.
Oh. You'll be standing outside the club and shit.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah, 95% of rappers are broke.
Oh, wait,
Bro, let me tell you, don't let the social media mislead you.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, rappers are broke.
Rappers?
Rappers are broke. And I'm saying,
that's
rappers are broke, dog.
That's crazy.
Crazy. So I don't even wanna like answer that.
Yeah.
But what I know.
Do you think like he has money?
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
I don't think so.
Nah, he's broke, man.
I don't think so. Why?
I'm just kidding. He has money.
I don't know, dog. I don't think so. Maybe he has money. Cause me, I'm not his friend. I'm not close to him. I've never even met him.
Oh, yeah. For it?
Yeah, I've never, bro.
Oh, that's very exciting to hear. Dog.
Yeah, it's crazy.
So,
I only like spoke with Flash when he was still, blowing up at the time, the Mhluzi, and then we actually, okay, I hit him up because I was like, yo, kid, listen, I need you on my joint, bro. I wanna spar with you. And he was like, nah, yeah, we're cool, we're chilling. I've been listening to you. He said that. I grew up listening to you. That's crazy.
Crazy, did he?
And he said, yeah, it has, bro, no cap. He said, yo, I've been actually listening to you, dog. Of which, bro, I can never take that for granted.
So, we have, do you think, who's this guy, man? Maclera. Is Maclera dope?
Dope. I actually want to make a song with Maclera, bro. I so wish God can.
Yeah.
I know uNkulunkulu nedlozi lami lizovuma. I really want to make a song with that guy, bruv. Like he's
godly.
Dog, it's not about me wanting to make a song with him because I want that exposure. I just like Maclera.
Oh.
Yeah, I just like him.
Oh, wait.
No cap, yeah.
Bravo, Leroux.
Bravo is dope.
Bravo is dope, ne?
Yeah, Bravo is dope. Okay, Bravo was dope. Especially between 2022 when he was still coming up, when he was still on the come up. He was killing it. I'm not sure now, dog, cause I haven't been like listening or tapping in a lot to umculo wakhe. But Bravo, if Bravo is not dope musically, but
as a person,
Bravo will always be dope as a person. I just love
forever quoted,
bro. Forever quoted. I love his personality. He's crazy, dog. Shout out to Bravo, dog. Shout out to Bravo, and nobody's gonna take that shit away from him.
So
he's killing it.
Number one, the last one. Bhut'Legend.
I love
work or dope.
I love Bhut'Legend is actually representing, but I wouldn't like say he's dope.
No.
I so wish he can try and be more creative, than trying to.
He's dope.
He's dope to you, according to you. Do you feel like he is dope?
That nigga hits.
He's dope.
Yeah.
Alright, bro. Cause me, I'm not his friend.
Yeah, I wanna come on Xhosa, ne? Then you hear he Xhosa raps guys.
Yeah.
Then you feel like he's dope.
No, like me.
But then to be honest, ne? Yeah, Nyansile, he needs to be creative at some point, but he just released a Psych, which is a creative joint. But other than that, he's got potential of being a doper rapper.
Bhut'Legend is a superstar, dog.
He's a superstar.
But I feel like he needs to be a standalone brand. Just like I said before, that he needs to stop relying on other people's shadows or whatever you call it. I so wish he can just like be a standard. He has the potential, just like you said, and also try to take down this celebrity mentality, thinking he has already made it.
He hasn't.
You understand?
He hasn't made it.
No, I don't
He
think
thinks
so. I don't think so, actually.
Oh.
No, I don't think so.
But he's a superstar.
According to you? Maybe as I remember I said he's a superstar. He can be he's got a potential to be a superstar.
Yeah.
He's not a superstar as yet. He's actually nice.
Yeah.
He's got a he's got a superstar personality. But I'm not sure about his music.
No, wait.
Because dog, you can't be like rapping about Jan, the whole album, if it's an album or the whole EP.
You should have named the album Dee Jan or something like that.
No, why are you even putting Jan on this run list? Can't you like try to be creative, come with something else?
I don't know. We don't know. I think we should close it there, man.
We close it there because we're talking about Bhut'Legend.
Nah, dog.
Come on, dog. Come on, bro. The last artist.
Hey, that was the last artist.
That was the last artist?
That was the last. I mentioned 5 artists.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah,
it was like, yo, fuck.
Did you enjoy this? Be honest. Be honest.
Yeah, I did.
Did you enjoy this?
Yeah, I did actually enjoy this, bro. Honestly, thank you for having me.
Do you think I'm a great host?
I think you are, bro.
I've got potential too, ne?
Yeah, bro. You've gotta, come on, dog. Like, yo, listen. I feel like you're the next, dog.
Yeah.
In the Xhosa podcast industry, I feel like you're the next shit, dog. Just carry on doing your shit.
Mikkie said it.
Yeah, just carry on, dog. It's crazy. I feel like you're going far, dog. Just carry on with that. Just don't let anybody tell you shit, dog. You next. No cap.
Don't forget to follow Mikkie SomaQhuzu. It's
SomaQhuzu_ everywhere, ladies and gentlemen. We out. Peace.
And if you enjoyed this, like SomaQhuzu, please do engage. Subscribe.
And shout out to everybody that's following me, and shout out to